Once upon a time in the enchanted land of Smoke-Andestro, a vintage wildling of the near village began to prepare his family meal to celebrate the saint of Paddy. This is the story of their epic meal. A journey of brine and smoke and delectable treats beyond your wildest dreams. As we travel through this story, you will hear a chime. When you hear it, you will know it's time to off.
Sun setting on their time, the power is waning too. The tides have shifted toward the better shores beyond the blue. Horizon sits a place not too far down the line, where reason appeals to the humanist side, where governments and states learn from their past mistakes. They realize it's absurd, just wait and see, we're a few years away from total equality. Overbearing satisfaction for this social chain reaction. Allow me to introduce my friends. At 1 in 10 they sit. The modern abolitionists will cure the world of its fearful disease. As dominoes drop, watch intolerance fall to its knees. One by one they'll fall. The dominoes come crashing down. Won't stop until we topple them all. The dominoes come crashing down. The dominoes come crashing down. The dominoes come crashing down.
It's been resting overnight. Got done about 2 o'clock in the morning. Snake River Wagyu corned beef. Whatcha! I have to say that this is a first. I've never ever had smoked corned beef. Damn, that is good. Man. Smoked corned beef on St. Paddy's Day. That is smoke and destroy.